Hi, my name is Eva. I want to tell you about function the pronunciation S and ES. Can use from for condition. Simple present, for example, studies. Plural countable noun, for example, likes. Con- construction, for example, it, he is, and she is. And the last, possessive adjective, for example, I learn English. Have three rules. First, we can read by S when the final sound is voiceless. For example, heads, mats, foods, words, and shop. Number second, we can read by Z when the final sound is voice. Al, vowel, diphthong, and consonant. L, m, n, r, ng. Example, games, flights, plays, beats, reads, solve. Number third, we can read by its or its when the final sound is column. Example, houses, ages, touches, tages, and femises. Practice sentences. A dishwasher washes dishes. A bus driver drives buses. A mechanic fixes cars. A teacher teaches students. A watchmaker makes watches. A real estate agent sells a house. That's for me. Thank you.